This is going to be an unboxing of the Huion HS611, a very highly anticipated arrival. I actually ordered this. So this is my first pen tablet. It cost, I think it costed like $80 on Amazon, and this is like Huion's newest release, so I'm really excited for this. And this came in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, and I chose to go with a medium. Okay, let's see. Ooh, the heck. Okay, so I guess this is the tablet. Surprisingly light. Whoa, that's like really nice. I chose the one with the space gray version with like the kind of looks like stars, I guess. I wonder if this works with lefties, because I'm a lefty. This is a CD that obviously I won't be using. So this is probably the pen stand. This is like a USB-C to whatever this is. Okay, looks like this is the pen itself. Oh, that's really cold. Okay, it looks like it already comes installed with a nib. I think there are like 8 extra nibs inside here. Yeah. Okay. More adapters. Okay, that's a cool design. Let's see how it feels. That's pretty smooth, actually. Okay, there's like minimal friction, but it's like still there, so you can get some feedback out of it. And I'm not sure what these buttons do, but I'm probably gonna have to learn. Okay, this is really nice for $80 actually, because like most of the professionals use like Wacom, but in my opinion they're like really overpriced. Like a Wacom of this build and quality would be like in the $200 to $300 range. So I think this is like definitely the best bang you're gonna get for the money. Oh, I didn't notice this. The place where you put your pen. Well, too bad I'm a lefty, but I think I could probably put it on my other hand, put it in, and that won't cause a problem. Okay, wait, how deep does it go? Okay, right about that one, I guess. Okay, well, I'm really excited to be using this. Probably not gonna have a review because I'm not like a tech reviewer like Brad Colbow or like MKBHD or something. But yeah, but I will be uploading like videos of me doing art, I guess. I might upload like just finished products or like drawing time lapses of drawings. Yeah, so I just opened a Krita document and I've yet to test this pen out. So let's see. Moment of truth. So let's see, does it have pressure sensitivity? Wait, what the heck? That is weird. Okay, I think oh, right. Right. Um there you go. Why isn't it clicking? Okay. No. There. Oops, what the heck? Okay. Oh, we can change the pressure. Look at the pressure sensitivity on that. That's incredible. Okay, yeah, this is really good. Okay, the purple is too bright. I mean, it's too saturated to unsaturate. And the pen tip is too large. Just like bring it to 4. The thickness also changes. That's really interesting. Oh my god, this is like learning how to write for the first time. It's so weird. Okay, now how do I... Yeah, so like if you hover over it, it knows where the cursor is. So that's why you can use it as a mouse. Okay, let's see. Let's draw some things. How do you undo? I have to know how to undo. Like that?